back to my channel. I hope you are all well. It is Thursday the 13th of October and thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. So today I'm going to be baking spiced sultana and apple baked oat muffins. Now I'll be using my Healthy Bee plus 6 sins. Now before I start, you need to wash your hands, then you need to preheat your oven to 200 Celsius or gas mark 6 or 392 Fahrenheit. So let's get baking. Hi everyone, have you washed your hands? Job's a good in. So what you'll need is 40 grams of porridge oats blended. This will be your Healthy Bee. Hope you can hear me okay. Then you will need 2 teaspoons of sweetener. See that okay? So add 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. Then you'll need half a teaspoon of baking powder. Hope that's picking up okay. Should have got some more of this today really. It is cinnable, but I don't sin it. So, but if you want to sin it, then please do so. So that's that. So I'll put them over there. Right, get all this mixed in. Doesn't take long. Okay, then you'll need a teaspoon of mixed spice. So I'll get a teaspoon of that, but a teaspoon won't fit in the jar, so I'm going to use 2 half teaspoons. 1, 2. Use this spoon already. Mix it in. All good. That's that done. Put that back in the cupboard. The rest of the spices. Okay then. Get that cleaned up. Right, so that's all mixed together. Okay, so that's your dried ingredients. Now for your wet ingredients, get the scales. You will need to measure out, get a jug. You don't need to measure out a jug. You need to measure out fat-free Greek style yogurt. I've got this from Asda. I usually get it from Aldi, but I was in Asda at the time. So you need to measure out 160 ml. So let's have a look. Whoop. Steady, steady. Just that little bit, isn't it? And come over. No, hold on. That's 160 sorted. Oh, my scales now. Wipe that clean. Done. Okay, so that's the yogurt. 160 ml of that, or 160 grams. Yeah, 160 grams, sorry. 160 ml, same thing, isn't it? Okay, reset that. Okay, pop them over there. Then you'll need to crack in 2 eggs. Crackers. It's 1. Yeah. You go there. I use free range eggs, but each to their own. I think they're better anyway, free range eggs. Okay, and then you mix it all in together. Okay, right, let's get some of this off. We don't want to miss anything out. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. In the sink. Right, okay, so that's your wet mixture. Now you need to weigh out 25 grams of sultanas. I've got the sultanas there. 25 grams is 3.5 sins. So this is where your sins come in. So we need grams. It's already on grams, Stephanie. Well done. 25 grams. Excuse the rustling. This is going to make 6 muffins. Oh, 25, yay! Okay, let's put it back on. Put them back in the cupboard. Okay, 25 grams there. You need to add the sultanas into the wet mixture, as so. It just plonked. Then you need to reset your scales, and then you need to weigh out 100 grams of an eating apple, and that's 2.5 sins. So I need to wash the apple first. You don't have to wash it first, but I always wash my fruit and veg. Okay, so weighing out 100 grams. Let's core it first. I would have done this before filming, but as we all know, apples change a bit of a funny colour, don't they? And you don't want that, do you? So it's off-putting, that is. I know it's off-putting for me anyway. Okay, so I think the thinner the better. Smaller bits the better. Mind your fingers. Oh, there's the oven again. Meditating. Okay, so 100 grams. Let's have a look. Let's put that on. 100 grams. Pop them in. Okay. Cut them smaller if you want to. Yep, that's on the floor. Don't pick it up. That's usually a 5-second roll, but no, not today. Okay, that's 63 grams. Gosh. Okay, let's get this on. Right. A lot of apple, a lot of apple. The reason why it's sinned is because you're cooking it. That's why it's sinned. Otherwise, if it's not sinned, it's a speed food. But it's still classed as a speed food, even if you do cook it. But it's sinned either when you puree it, or cook it, or put it in a smoothie or anything. You have to sin it. Okay. Right, it's nearly there. Oh, gone over. Oh, right, okay, that's 99. That's going to be 100. 100, yay! Okay, so I'm going to put all that over there. I'll discard that in a minute. That's going to be eaten, so don't worry. I'm going to put that in the fridge for now. Put it on there for now. Anyway, so that is 100 grams. Well, it was 100 grams, it's 99. Let's get rid of all this apple. Hey, apple! Okay, the little seeds that get me. Oh, okay then. Look over here, pick up that little bit of apple. Wash my hands. Right, okay, so let's turn that off. Done. Oh, there's a raisin. Oh, got in there. Right, so what you need to do now, you need to add the 100 grams of apple into the jug. Let's see there. And then with a fork, the lovely Lynn Cook, hi Lynn, recommended to use a fork. It'd be easier to stir and mix. So thanks for that, Lynn. Much appreciated, babe. Okay, mix it all together. And then you need to add the dried ingredients. Ta-da! Okay, then mix it all together. Move that knife out of the way as well. Right. See, okay? Good. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy. Okay. May not look pretty, but it does smell nice. Okay, so that's all mixed together. Yum. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to get your muffin tray. I've got Yorkshire pudding tray. So, it's going to bug me that is now. Step done. Right, again, silicone little muffin cases. I'm going to fry light them. You don't have to, but I do anyway. I use the fry light butter. Yum. Put that back in the cupboard. Okay, I'm going to get my scoop. Right then. Let's get rid of all that jazz. Right. Okay, so you're going to divide the mixture into the 6 cases. So if you can see that okay. Make sure all of them have the raisins in and the apple in. It's very autumnal, isn't it? It surely is. Surely is. So quite a lot of mixture here, isn't there? That's why I say blend the oats, it's better then. So that just splotched on then, didn't it? There we go. Hope you can see that okay. Not blocking your view. If I am, I do apologise. Right, that's that. Okay. What I want to get some small little spatulas, like silicone ones. I'm going to get my spatula out. So then I've got all the mixture, because like I said, this is your healthy bee, you know, and you don't want waste. Can't afford to waste. Okay. They may look a bit overfilled, but trust me, they will turn out lovely. So, there we go. The apron's there, done. So yeah, so that's what they look like before. Okay, so pop them in a preheated oven, 200 Celsius, gas mark 6 or 392 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Leave them there for 30 minutes. If you want to check them for 25, that's fine, but I leave mine in for 30 minutes. And I will be back after they have been plated up. See you in a bit. Hi everyone, welcome back. So here they are, spiced sultana and apple baked oat muffins. Smell-o-vision. Oh, they smell so nice. They've been in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I got them out, let them cool down, and then plated them up. Safety first. Now, the muffins are your healthy bee plus 6 sins. Now, the 6 sins are 25 grams of sultanas for 3.5 sins and 100 grams of an eating apple for 2.5 sins. So that's not too bad, is it really? Healthy bee and 6 sins. Now, serving suggestions, you can either use a banana and custard light yogurt for half a sin, or a toffee apple crumble light yogurt, limited edition at the moment, for half a sin. Or you can have a light ambrosia custard. I'm not too sure on the sins, but whatever you decide, please check the sins and the calories just to protect your own weight loss journey. So yeah, so anyway, let me know in the comments below if you give them a go. Job's a good un. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. It's free to do so. hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and as always, keep smiling, stay positive and take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye now.